ai zo lo pru bui su quay ni ma quay thầm á chứ có cái đó quay thầm cha lên đi thế pru bui su thầm cha này bây giờ còn hồ xe máy chúng quay thầm quay ni ma sao mà giải đâu ta này chứ thằng đó cái bus chạy này, bros bus chạy mà ra cái, rồi benar thế mà sẽ benar thế tại con tôm sẽ, saya buat kau này sau này kita ha, cint hukra rồi vậy, ok đi sih, này sau này
लुसाई से पहला हम लोग रहता था, फिर भी हम लोग हमारा किंगडम, हम लोग का राजा लोग ये मिजोरम सब को देखभाल करके उन लोग ने रखा हुआ था, फिर भी हम लोग अभी इधर पे जानवर के जैसा हम लोग हो गया नहीं, उस नहीं है अभी हमारा
the Bru Boisu Festival. In India, harvest festivals are celebrated across different regions, each with its own unique customs, traditions, and significance. Just recently, some of these festivals were celebrated at Raj Bhavan with intercultural themes and items. I am happy to be a part of another such festival, which marks the beginning of the new year for the Bru community. I acknowledge the difficulties this community has suffered in the preceding decades. It is commendable that amidst these challenges, the Bru people have demonstrated remarkable resilience and solidarity. As we celebrate the Boisu festival, I offer my heartfelt encouragement and support in your endeavor to build a better future. May your drive be guided by a belief in the boundless potential of your community. Unity in diversity is the greatest strength of our nation. As responsible citizens, we must continuously strive for cultural integration. When we stand united, we are better equipped to face the various challenges that confront us. I urge everyone to be respectful of each other's culture and traditions. It is important to remember that cultural integration is not about assimilation or erasing our cultural identities. Rather, it is about creating spaces where diverse cultures can coexist and thrive. While celebrating our differences, we must take pride in our common national identity. I take this opportunity to convey that there are various schemes under Government of India which can be easily accessed by the masses. For instance, the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is a life insurance scheme which guarantees cover of 2 lakh rupees with just an annual premium of only 436 rupees. Likewise, the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is another accident insurance scheme which offers cover of up to 2 lakhs of an annual premium of only 20 rupees. In the same way, there are many beneficial schemes which can be availed under Government of India. I urge the leaders of the Bru community to explore these schemes and to create more awareness amongst the common people. I also take this opportunity to encourage all the eligible voters to exercise our franchise in the coming Lok Sabha elections. It is our duty to cast our valuable votes in order to ensure the continued success of the world's largest democracy. In the spirit of the Bru Boisu Festival, a festival of union and get-together, let us strive to create a society where every individual feels valued, respected, and empowered to contribute their unique talents and perspectives. Together, we can overcome any challenge and realize our full potential for the glory of our great nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
So today I'm very grateful and honored to be here because of especially I'm very proud of myself to give a lot of thanks in front of our Honorable Governor. I'm really very proud of myself, and I would like to thank our special guests and special invitees, our brother and sister Bodo and Chakma, and all the participants who made the festival a memorable one. Let me speak in Kauru. Bari ni tini any kap mo ni kap chai ma to ha. Tini kap chang mo sem thai ye phang thai ma si ka tini phang tai thai te kan ro no khu tai chau ya du gri chau ya kan ro no ko chu. Ma si ke phang thai ya ko kan ro no khau e ko ri ya. Tini phang thai ma si ke ro no du gri chau ya ma ni thai ko za chau ya ma ni kan ro no yo pro kan ro no ki chu ma si ke thai ma ni ya. Tini chỉ để khắp họ bằng sao bà chúng ta này chúng ta học học cái nó thì bà đi khắp cho chỉ điểm sao đi này thao đồng sao thao thay đâu ta rồi làm đồng sao các bà đi khắp cho thì nào có đi kia chỉ để có men đồng sao thao đồng sao các bà đi khắp cho thì nếu phải này nó mình có điều sẽ chỉ có quý số này pura cái này này nó sẽ phải mà sẽ cái chỉ có quý số nó chúng ta này pura cái này à rồi bao salhas này nó thì đi lên chúng số tập thể Isor kau pun baik tu pala dan baik pihak. Tini ada bahawa tini bis kau pun tini bon naik tor, bon naik hawa kuat ke tu bis pala dan naik tu cuma nak. Tini orang sak kau balik ye, khap jango, tini am thabar bana tu ke thore English lekang sak pinai. Let us speak in English. Finally, I would like to thank present here to make time with us, helping us to even grant success. Thank you all.